I would be continuing my explanation on this question number 3. Now, we were discussing about this fourth and fifth point. Employer's contribution to PF is 8% of first, second, and third. Now, again, as I said, um, see, basically, first, second, and third means basic pay plus DA plus leave. Which, if you add basic pay plus DA plus leave, it will be first, second, and third. Then on whatever total you get, that on that you have to calculate 8%, which is your employer's contribution. And second one is again employer's contribution to ESI is 2.5% of first, second, and third. So first, second, and third, as I said, it is basic pay plus DA plus leave pay. So on these three amounts, if you put together whatever amount you get, under 2.5% would be your employee's contribution. Then again, pro rata amenities is rupees 200 per head per month. So this we can take directly. And they have given working hours in a month is 25 days of 8 hours each. Now here, since they have given total number of days, we can calculate all these details for entire month. Now again, here, what we have to look here carefully is basic pay they have given per day. So, but we are calculating per month. Now, so what we have to do, this 2 rupees per day, we have to multiply into 25 days. So how do we start with problem? We have to start with basic pay. So basic pay is how much? 2 rupees per day. So in a month, they are working for how many days? 25 days. So for the entire month, the basic pay for an employee would be 2 into 25 days. So it would be 50 rupees per month. Then again, DA, as usual, I told you, it is the current cost of index is 700. So for every point over 100 points, it would be 0.25. Dearness allowance would be 0.25 rupees. So over and above 100 points means we have to reduce 100 points from the 700, and above 700, how many points we have? We would be having 600 points. So that 600 into 0.25 would be 150 rupees. So dearness allowance for an employee per month would be 150 rupees. Then again, third item is leave pay. So leave pay, how do you compute? So they have given us 10% on first and second. So 10% on first and second means first item is basic pay and second item is DA. So how much is basic pay? It is 50 and dearness allowance is 150. So 50 plus 150 put together is 200. So on 200, if you calculate 10%, that will be your leave pay for an employee per month. So 200 into 10% means 20 rupees per month. So you are getting total of 220. Then again, they have given employer's contribution. Employer's contribution is to PF is 220. Then again, 220 multiplied into 8%. They have given 8% on first, second, and third. First, second, and third would be basic pay plus DA plus leave pay, which is 220. So on this 220 multiply into 8% would give you 17.6. Then again, employees contribution to ESI, again, as I told you, it is 2.5% on first, second, and third. So first, second, and third total is amounting to 220 rupees. So on this 220, 2.5% would be your employees contribution to ESI. So which would be 5.5 rupees. So total you are getting 243.1. Then again, the prorate amenities directly they have given per labor per month is rupees 20. So 243.1 plus 20, your total labor cost per month is 263.1. That means for an employee or for a laborer, for 1 month the wages is amounting to 263. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕರ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಮಂತ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 263 rupees wages ನ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Now in question they are asking what is your labor cost per day. So 263.1 is labor cost per month. So if you want for 1 day, how much, what we have to do? We have to divide by total number of working days in a month. So in a total number of working days in a month is how much? 25 days. So what we have to do? 263 is the total labor cost per month. We have to divide by total number of working days in a month, which is 25 days. So 263.1 divided by 25 days. So each day the labor cost would be 10.52 per day. That means if the laborer is working for 1 day in your factory, you have to pay rupees 10.52 rupees for him as the wages. So this is what you have to understand. So hope you understood all the first three problems. Thank you so much. In case if you have any doubt, please do ask me. Thank you.